This video will cover what a contractor's expectations are for a basic progress video deliverable. It focuses on content, quality, and presentation. Let's take off and get started. What do busy contractors want from drone deliverables like photos, videos, and maps? Maximum information in minimal time. They want subject matter layout that's user-friendly. It's clear, logical, and has context. They haven't got time to watch 5 minutes of video to get 2 minutes of information. Respect their time and they will thank you. Good labeling. Nobody likes to have information dumped in their laps that they have to spend time to figure out what it is, where it is, etc. It's like road signs. If there weren't an adequate sequence of road signs, it would take you a lot longer to get to your destination, right? Same goes for getting contractors to their destination, which is finding the important visual information contained in your video. Make it easy for them by putting step-by-step labeling in your deliverables. Here's a progress video I did for a builder. I've narrated portions of it to help you understand what information is important. The filming is contractor-grade video quality. Remember, you're not selling real estate, you're constructing it. You don't have to produce a highly polished video glossy. However, you do need to produce a good quality video with content that captures the substantive information on weather, work crew allocation, schedule progress, work crew and equipment safety, etc. Okay, let's get going. Show the project name, location, type of deliverable, and date, and then show them where you're going next. Areas A and B lot locations. At the beginning of each area, provide the viewer with a map or location that gives them context. In this case, the street and lot number are great. Fly your video route in numerical sequence of the lots to minimize any confusion. Also keep the location information somewhere on the page so the viewer knows what they're looking at. We're moving to the next area, Area B. Again, a map that shows context, street names, and lot numbers. Area B was videoed in an autonomous flight mode. It's a programmable mode on the drone where you can come back at any time in the future, start the program, and the drone will fly the exact same mission as before. This version was DJI Waypoints. Litchi is also a great version of it. Between my other narrations, take the time to really see the amount of information photos and videos can provide. On this day, what was the weather like? How were the work crews allocated? Enough of them and in the right place for efficiency? Schedule progress. Are activities on schedule? If not, which ones aren't? Site safety. Are crews following the safety plan? Is the equipment positioned and working safely? Are there any hazardous site conditions like over-excavations, etc.? Coming to Area C, the last area, we'll start filming from the cul-de-sac, Lot 221, and move in a clockwise direction following the lot sequence numbers to the end, Lot 237. Since the majority of these are only foundations with not much detail to record, we go up to a higher elevation to get an orthophotographic view, where the camera is pointed straight down. We do this to view the area quicker. Remember to always keep your subject matter centered as best as possible. This is especially true in a sweeping turn where the drone operator is constantly multitasking, recording, changing drone mode functions, steering the drone, etc., all at the same time. This is where an autonomous flight program like Waypoints or Litchi excels. We're coming to the end here now, and there's another opportunity to read the video. Look at the activity on the site. Again, what is the crew doing? Are they doing it safely? Are they on schedule? This is part of the video analysis the contractor is looking for, and it depends on the quality of your deliverable. Hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you want me to continue making video content like this. Help me advance the value of drones in construction. It helps both the drone pilots and the contractors. Give me comments and any future topics you'd like to see.